In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Otter AI with Monday.com using Zapier. This method allows you to seamlessly integrate these two platforms without any need for complex coding skills. It's a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your workflow by automating tasks. So let's get started. First, ensure you have accounts set up in both Otter AI and Monday.com. These will serve as the platforms we are connecting. If you haven't done so already, you'll also need to sign up for Zapier. Zapier is the crucial tool that will facilitate this connection between Otter AI and Monday.com, allowing them to communicate effectively. Once you've got your accounts ready, log into Zapier and head straight to the Make a Zap button. This button is your starting point where you'll build this automation, or Zap, as Zapier likes to call it. Next, we're going to set up the trigger. Think of the trigger as a signal that tells Zapier when to start the automation process. In our case, you'll be choosing Otter AI as the trigger app. For instance, you might select the new recording trigger in Otter AI. This means anytime a new recording is created in Otter AI, it will prompt the automation to take action. Now it's time to set up the action. This tells Zapier what you want to happen when the trigger occurs. Here, you'll be choosing Monday.com as the action app. You have a few options to decide what action should take place, such as create item, add update, or even create task board item. Choose the one that best fits your workflow needs. To ensure Zapier can effectively communicate with both Otter AI and Monday.com, you need to provide the necessary access credentials or API keys. This step is crucial as it allows Zapier the permissions required to interact with your accounts and carry out the actions you've set up. Once your accounts are connected, it's time to map the fields. This step is about making sure the right information from Otter AI is transferred to the correct places in Monday.com. For instance, you might map the transcript text from Otter AI to a task description in Monday.com, or use the recording name as the task name. This mapping ensures that all relevant data is successfully and accurately moved from one platform to the other, enabling a smooth workflow. Before finalizing everything, it's always a good idea to test your Zap. Make a test recording in Otter AI to see if a new item or update appears in Monday.com. This test will confirm that everything is working as intended and that information is being shared correctly between the platforms. Once you're satisfied with the test results, you can turn the Zap on. From now on, the automation will run as soon as the trigger event happens, making your work process more efficient and integrated. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to connect Otter AI with Monday.com using Zapier, streamlining your workflow effortlessly.